I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your NZXT Kraken 360. First, prepare your radiator by attaching the three 120mm fans using the provided screws. Next, carefully mount the radiator into your PC case. Most users install it at the top or front. Make sure the fan cables are accessible for later connections. This initial step sets the foundation for efficient cooling. Now, let's install the pump block onto your CPU. If your cooler doesn't have pre-applied thermal paste, apply a small, pea-sized amount to the center of your CPU. Carefully align the pump block with the mounting holes and secure it firmly with the provided hardware. Ensure even pressure across the CPU for the best thermal contact. This step is crucial for effective heat dissipation. Next, we'll handle the power and fan connections. Connect the pump's main cable to your motherboard's CPU FAN header. Then, plug the SATA power connector from the pump into a free SATA power cable from your power supply unit. Finally, connect the three fan cables, either to the included fan controller or directly to available fan headers on your motherboard. Proper connections ensure your cooler receives power and fan speed control. For full control and customization, connect the micro USB cable from the pump to an available USB 2.0 header on your motherboard. If your fans or pump have additional RGB cables, connect them to the NZXT controller. Once everything is connected, install the NZXT CAM software on your computer. This software allows you to monitor temperatures, adjust pump speed, and customize your cooler's lighting effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.